can't see. There we go, I'm gonna have to do it like this. So I'm underneath in the air raid shelters. How cool is that? We've just met some urbexers. They've been doing some exploring here.
Didn't seem like there's anyone in it.
I'm Brad.
We're using that, Chris.
Research.
Brad. You're right, I'm Brad.
Binksy.
You got 28 days?
No, I just do YouTube.
Ah.
But now it's my turn, finally. So let's do this. So I'm having a bit of trouble picking up good camera footage because Ash is all the way down there somewhere and he's got a big touch. I'm using my phone and a little Diddy touch combined. Smells like toilets are nearby. That's the way I want to go. I need Ash's touch. We'll have a look in here first. Yeah, there you go. Toilets. It's a shame, isn't it? This historic place just getting done in by kids. Smashing up the place up. Look at that. More toilets. Look at that, everyone sat together. Communal. That'll probably be where the sink was. Oh, watch out for these. Yeah! Over here. Yeah, this is the main shaft.
Well, where is it? I want a picture of that.
There's an old bed springs.
What? Someone's been fucking over luxuries. In your room.
That's it. I think we're at the end. Pan. That's all.
It doesn't work back on itself, you know.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I think that's it. There you go.
That old engine there.
Grass cutter.
Right at the end of it, apparently.
Good.
So where we were this now then? Right over
It's a toy
here.
gun.
Yeah, what else? Near Chidley. That's bits up bits, yeah. What inside that rock? Yeah.
Right, this is as far back as it goes. Now the other bit is
The other way.
the other side where.
We'll get us back to the start and we'll go back there.
That press us that touch.
Right.
So I can get some good shots if I'm in front. Nearly fell over.
So yeah, walking back through to the other end. Right, so we made a YouTube this. What we're doing
Well, I went to B&Q to get one, they were sold out.
You should have gone to Screwfix and got one of them ones. Old lantern.
Where's that gas mask?
Might be in the other side. Don't forget it's a big tunnel.
Did those guys say they were going to do...
Been up there, not up that way.
Been up there?
That way.
Yeah, it's an exit. Those guys said they were going to do Dodge Hill.
Yeah.
Thought you can't get in.
Dodge Hill.
Lanky Hill.
Yeah. That's where we know where to route in. That's what's around the fireplace. Oh, yeah.
No, these would look so much better if they were stood up.
Well, I think we should go to the ones that we do top of solar on. And so we went straight through there, didn't we?
That's the toilets.
Yeah.
Oh, this way's flooded, that's why.
Right, so we need to go back through the toilets. Ventilation, do you get the light? Back through the toilets.
These glass walls aren't very thick, are they?
Don't forget they've got God knows how much air for them. What's that whole Hey, let me talk about that.
Oh, one sec.
Yeah, we've got all fuzzy footage here because you've got them.
You've had good footage all the way down.
Oh, shine touch.
Aren't they for candles?
Possibly shine touch. I know that's some lanterns. I remember they get on the fuel powered ones.
Big drop.
Right, it's right here.
These toilets.
Did we do that one?
Yeah. That's exit. Watch us get lost now. Yeah, we've been in it.
Yeah, we've been through this one. So once you got the...
Don't you love it how when urbexers come in they set stuff up for photos?
Yeah, we do.
You're not an urbexer.
That's just saying I'm not an urbex, so it's like I don't think so.
Right, does this, Ash, is this the one that leads out to the main road thing?
Yeah, up to the high bit there, go right there.
And follow it along?
Go back to the driveway, make sure you go.
You know what, I'm starting to think that gas mask was brought down by someone.
I think it's on another bit. Yeah, this is the bit we walked up the other day, this.
This goes to the main road, yeah? Is that the main road? Yeah, that's the main road.
There's a load of orange writing in front of you there, isn't there?
Yeah.
No, here on this side, well.
Yeah.
Saying we're lost. Yeah, this is exactly the same place it went fuzzy on the camera the other day. Right here in this tunnel.
So this one goes up to the bend.
One exit. That's one exit up there. You usually get lost under there, don't you?
Nah.
That's weird that how my camera went fuzzy there again. With the sole of the shoe.
Yeah, this goes to the main road.
Yeah, you'll start to hit the main road in a minute.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And then off one of these side tunnels is a pair of legs. We come up the other day, right? Right, and we just seen that. Nasty shit as well. Let's look through these toilets from round, Brad, like.
I was just kind of a quick look.
We go back up that way.
Do we?
We can do. Or we can get in the toilets from the other way if you go to the left there.
No, this goes to the main road. I'm at the main road.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You see outside? Yeah, I know it's pretty there. That's where Steve was shouting, "Help me, I'm lost!" That old tin there.
Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard Wash. There's someone on the outside.
No, it sounded like it was in here,
Yeah.
like a radio.
No, I just flipped that over.
No, that's a
I heard
voice.
the
It was a woman's voice.
Yeah. Oh well.
Ghosts are gonna get you.
Oh, whatever. Oops, head by me.
I was hoping I'd see you panic again,
Well,
like in the
I'm fine
video.
now. I've got a decent touch and I'm not pretty much on my way out of there. That's the thing I stuck on Instagram the other day. We lost now.
Yeah, I see him.
There's the legs.
Hey, you go down here, turn right, that takes you back round.
Does it?
Yeah.
Right. Set of legs just sat there.
Did you poo it?
We did it first, yeah.
Yeah, main road.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can hear the cars. There we go, main road. See?
No idea. Right in. This way.
How's that from? What's wrong down? Is it that dead end out the crowd?
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the main road, yeah.
Yeah, this goes far out.
That should lead to the third exit.
What, that one?
Yeah.
Over this way. Turn a little light. So, yeah.
There we go. There's your exit. I'm gonna do my outro.
Yeah, hang on, that's the exit there.
What's that? Hey, look, a comb. Do you want to brush your beard, Ash?
No.
Needs it.
Right, that's it. We're coming up to the end. We've explored every nook and cranny of this. So yeah, if you liked it, subscribe, give us a like, that would be nice. World War II Air Raid Shelters, always good to watch. Ash's touch is on me now, so I've got the light. Don't forget my competition, I'll put a link down below for it, and a little bit of history will be down below about these tunnels as well. So thanks for watching, see you later. Right, wait there.
So it's not bad once you've
Further back.
yeah, go on. 2, 1. Alright, that's good that. Right, so you ready? Let's go. Yeah, let's get out of there. So what we need to do. Have you got in now?
Yeah?
Good, isn't it though? Just to about.